So, good morning guys. So, dumating na yung other order natin. Previous order natin is on this. Nabili natin sa 699. At less yung discount, shipping. So, 697. Pero ito, nabili natin siya 564. 750 yung original price niya. Pero parang 64 na lang due to the discount. So, we will check. So, nakasil dito na part. Ayan. So, we'll check the quality. So, yan guys. Medyo may bubble wrap. Okay. Tingnan natin yung bubble wrap. So, this will be for my personal use. Ay! So, ito na siya guys. Mabigat siya kumpara sa SanDisk. So, looks promising. So, paano rin ito makakonect? So, ito na siya guys. So, nakasealed siya, no? So, walang, hindi talaga na-open. Yan. So, we'll connect. And we will test this one if talagang 128 gig siya. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Looks durable. Okay, so keep watching and we will run the test for this one. Okay, bye bye. So we're back. So ito na siya, HP 128GB. So we will connect sa hub natin. Okay, we will check. Oh, yan, nag-pull up siya agad. Yan, so HP. So folder is empty, so we'll check on properties. We're expecting around 114 GB for this one. Okay, so right click. So it's loading. Yeah. So it's not responding daw. Not responding, you know, not responding. So I toss it. Will open. Okay. So hindi siya na-detect, no? Not responding. Okay. Yan na. Yan. So we will right click. Properties. So yan, 115 ang free space niya. So yung SanDisk 114. So okay lang naman yan. Normal, no? Perfect. But we will test pa. We will add more files to it and see kung 115 nga yung magagamit natin. So pangangalanan natin na to. Pangalan ito na June USB. Yan. Apply. But format first, no? We will format sa NTFS. Kasi yung TV natin, no, hindi siya nag-accept ng exFAT. So we will format NTFS. Yan. Okay, so format complete. Okay, so we will be back. We will add faster muna. Okay, keep watching. Okay, so we'll now try to transfer a file. So let's see. Try natin to. Ayan. So as you can see, guys, yan. So it's around, check natin yung pinaka-peak niya. Okay, so it's climbing. So it's 32, no? 32, between 32 and 37. Yan. 32, yan, 37. But if we check the marketing, okay, sabi dito it's okay, so yan, nabili natin siya 750. Tapos may mga discounts. Yan. Sabi dito it's 75 MB per second. Yan. Yung read performance. Okay. So yan. Okay, so we'll check. Okay, so na-transfer na. Okay na, guys. So we'll now test this sa TV natin. Okay. I'll just create a video sa phone ko para makita nyo. Yan. So we will now unplug this one. Eject. Yan. So eject na. Yan. So we will now unplug this one. Eject. Ayan. So eject natin. Okay. And then we will just close first this one. Okay, so we will now connect the USB sa back ng TV natin. Ayan. So yung default format niya, guys, is exFAT at hindi siya gumagana sa TV natin. So we reformatted it sa NTFS. So now we are trying to play this one. Yan. Check natin if mag-play. Yan. So sabi niya dito, this file is invalid. So it's not really working yung USB sa TV. Pero sa laptop, nag-work siya. So, hindi natin siya magagamit as portable. Okay? Okay, guys. So, I have downloaded this HP Support Assistant to see if a USB can be detected. So, let's check. The only problem, guys, we are having now is we can view the files in no device found. So we can view the files here. Okay, yan o. Yan. So it says 115. So we can view the files here. Okay, you know. So we can view the files here, but not on our TV. Okay. So I hope I'll message the seller muna, and also I'll ask for a refund. Okay. Thanks. So we tested the drive, the HP USB flash drive. We can view the files sa PC natin, but if we use the flash drive sa TV natin, file is corrupted or file is not valid, sabi niya. So what I'm doing now is I am formatting the flash drive using the full format, not the quick format. Okay, so that we will know if there are bad sectors. Okay, so if we will not be able to use the USB drive sa TV natin, then we will ask for a full refund. We can only use so far the flash drive sa PC natin. Okay, so currently hindi natin siya magagamit, you know, not accessible siya kasi it's currently being reformatted. Okay, so we will be right back once na reformat na natin, and we will do a quick video to view the files sa PC and then to view the files sa TV. Okay, so pause lang muna natin to. By the way guys, while we are still waiting for the format now, it's still for formatting here, kita ko lang sa inyo guys, previously yung price is 750, ngayon tumaas na siya. So once again, sabi dito up to 75 Mbps. For what I have seen so far, the writing speed niya, it's just running from 33 to 37. Pakita ko mamaya sa inyo, mag-transfer tayo ng file. So it has 2-year warranty, pero wala tayong na-receive na warranty slip or official receipt, wala. So if this is not working, we will either ask for a full refund or ask for a replacement, whichever is possible. Okay, at mabilis siyang ano guys, tumaas yung heat niya kasi metal siya, so that's okay. What the main purpose why I really buy this flash drive is because I will be using it to my TV. Okay, so if we will not be able to use that sa TV, so better mag-ask tayo ng refund. So yan. So ngayon it's still reformatting here. Okay, so we will be right back. Okay guys, so format complete. Okay, so we will check now. Yan siya. So wala siyang file ngayon. Okay, so we will try to transfer the file. Okay. Okay guys, so we're back. So request tayo for return for refund or partial refund, pero wala silang option of partial refund. We need to return the item talaga, and they will refund me 564. Okay, So do you want us to cover the return shipping fee? Yan o. According sa email o. Yan, print ko daw yung label. Okay. So they want me to shoulder the shipping fee, which shouldn't be the case, guys, kasi we are the buyer. So the item is faulty, so dapat silang mag-offer ng, so we will wait for the resolution. We will not definitely return it. It's working siya, but not on my TV. Okay, so we need a partial refund or a replacement of the new item. Okay. Thanks, keep watching, guys. So this is a summary of our vlog today for this USB here. So what happened is some files will not play on our TV, but for this particular file, guys, nag-play siya. So parang namimili siya. So I still prefer yung SanDisk compare sa HP. So I hope, guys, this video help you. So if just an add-on lang, if exFAT will not work, you can reformat it to NTFS. Okay, sometimes there are 3 options to format or to reformat the USB, but new generation USBs now has to, kasi yung FAT32 is already obsolete. Most devices now are using NTFS and exFAT. Okay, so maganda pa rin siya, guys, kasi legit na 115 GB siya, but yung problem na nga lang is yung some files will not play lang. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe.